If it works, then we'll post this. If it doesn't work, you're never gonna see this.
This is gonna work. Hey.
All right, we got the boards on.
Whose idea was this, bro?
I distinctly recall you sending this to the group chat.
I wish I didn't. I think it's on. I feel like it's gonna be okay. We're 4 hours in. We have moved the lift 8 inches and realized that everything we did was wrong, so we are starting all over again. I love cars. Yes, I do. I love cars. How about you?
How's it going, Mark?
Oh, having so much fun. Cars are stupid. I hate them.
Oh.
I can't believe it. 78 miles of my butthole being puckered.
Look at this beauty.
I'm tired, dude. We did this twice today because we effed up real bad. Let's get it.